how's everybody doing today? Just heading out on the ice here. We're going to target some pike and walleye today. I had a chance to be on the water, same water as a good friend. He's a guide around here. You've seen his info there in the introduction. Stay tuned. Hoping to get some decent underwater footage and see if we can get into some walleye, maybe try some Lakers. Pike as usual. Still trying to break that 40-inch mark. Anyways, stay tuned. I'll get the camera rolling once we get some footage underwater. I am pretty much sure I got him this time. Alright guys, I'm about to get hammered here, I think. Yep. Fish on, Jaime! He swam right up the hole.
Oh, nice.
He took my big sucker minnow though.
That's a nice little pike, eh?
Yeah, it's alright.
Boy, that's a beauty. Fucking right.
She's healthy. Where's my other minnows?
Fuck, you got me soaked for nothing.
Sorry.
You got everything you need?
Oh, yep.
Did you get them on film?
Oh, yeah. I got him just as I seen the tail. I quick turned on the camera and bang.
Right on bottom?
About 2 feet up off.
Alright, man. I want to get those walleye you see.
They're there. Alright guys, I might have missed the underwater footage, but that's what I just landed. Probably, I don't know, I'd say 30. I'll get him down here on the ground, see if I can get a measurement before he gets too excited. She's a nice looking fish though. As always, I like to have my fishing brews measuring tape on me. Do I need to have my hat on, guys? So like I mentioned in my last video, I like to keep my jaw spreaders and pliers and everything handy. By the looks of it, I knocked my heater out. So, anyways. Yeah, I'll need you in a minute, please. Okay, so, a little smaller than I thought. He's about 26. So, get my buddy Jaime Sebastian here to hold my camera for me, and we'll get a picture, and I'll just put him back in. He's a good size. Where are you, boss man?
Right here.
Alright. There we go. 27 is what it was, or 26. So, not bad. Get him back in the water. Yeah, he's ready to go.
Dive bomb. I just shoot him right down.
Yeah, as soon as I feel him twitch a little bit, I'm getting rid of him. I don't want my... There we go. There he goes. Hey. Walleye, walleye, walleye.
Get him, get him.
I think I might hear some excitement outside here.
Another pike. But we're on pike land.
Fins and it swims, bro. Fins and it swims. Oh, that's a little guy, eh?
Yeah, little guy.
She's short and stout. That's some nice view, eh? She's another one on the hard top. Walleye's coming in, boys, right to you. Alright. I've never landed one of these. I've never seen one in person either.
Dirty old slime balls.
Yeah.
What do you got, a plier?
It's kind of wild, man.
I just don't feel like cleaning them tonight.
They got teeth in there? No.
A little bit, but no. It's
It's a bass.
you see? Yeah.
Well, that's got to be about the slimiest fish I've ever seen, bud. I don't care. Well done. I've never seen one before.
Oh no?
No.
Oh, they're great. They're gross.
Well, guys, it's starting to get pretty late out, but a little walleye decided to come in the middle of the night. Keep her going. Hopefully we can get something a little bit bigger and lot size. I'll get him back down there. There he goes. Well, guys, that's pretty much going to do it for this trip out on the ice. I'll throw up his contact information once again, but if you're looking for a world-class guide, I would definitely take a look at Fishin' with Jaime. A really good guy, all heart. Check him out. If you like what you've seen in the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. There's more content to be seen. Till the next time, have a good one, guys.